Today we are at Bridle Run, a new community by David Weekley Homes that is in such a convenient location. It's 5 miles to downtown Cary, 5 miles to downtown Raleigh, a mile and a half from a shopping center, and only 20 minutes to the airport. This model that I'm going to show you right now is called the Ashbury, but they have not only 5 plans to choose from, but each of those plans you can choose either a traditional exterior or a contemporary exterior for each of those. I'll show you at the end of the video what some of the more contemporary exteriors look like, but it's just such a great choice to have if you're not a big fan of the traditional exterior home. You ready? Let's go take a tour of the Ashbury. This was the Ashbury. These David Weekley Homes, this is a very small community, Bridle Run. There are only 44 homes here. But again, you have not only 5 floor plans to choose from, but of those 5 floor plans, you have either a traditional exterior or a contemporary exterior. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a few contemporary exteriors, just so you know what I mean. But the range of the home sizes are from 2,400 square feet to 3,200 square feet, 4 or 5 bedroom. And it's just an incredibly convenient location and a great little community. If you have any questions about David Weekley Homes in general, they have communities all over the greater Raleigh area. Or if you'd like to take a tour of one of the Bridle Run homes, give me a call. All of my information is in the description below. Thanks for watching.